For those of you who are familiar with finger knitting, the technique is the same, and you can make wider rows. During the building process, you may find it necessary to attach said parts together. To do so, I used a hot glue gun. Now you're ready to start knitting. Take the bottom strand up and over the top strand and off the popsicle stick. Rows will form behind it, and it should look like this. Once you knit a strip long enough, you can make cool projects with it, like this basket. For those of you who like to organize and are allowed to use power tools, wind up your yarn like this to keep your workspace neat and organized. Thanks for watching, and have fun making stuff.